Delhi Minister Saurabh Bhardwaj has slammed LG VK Saxena over the water crisis in the national capital. He's asked the LG to make the video recording of Atishi and his meeting with Saxena public. Saurabh claimed that after Atishi sat for protest, Haryana reduced at least 17 million gallons of water per day to Delhi. He's alleged that Haryana has stopped water for 85,000 people in the last 3 days.
तो एलजी साहब को बहुत छोटा सा निवेदन कर रहा हूं, पता नहीं वो क्यों इतना डर रहे हैं। एलजी साहब से मैं और आतिशी मिलने आए थे, हमारी 1-1.25 घंटा मीटिंग हुई। एलजी साहब ने 3 ट्राइपॉड लगा के कैमरे लगा रखे थे और बोल रहे थे कि मैं इस मीटिंग को रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूं। हमने कहा करो सर, बिल्कुल करो। मैं एलजी साहब से ये कह रहा हूं कि आप उस मीटिंग को आउट कर दीजिए ना, आप उस वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग को पब्लिक कर दीजिए। पूरे देश के सामने भारतीय जनता पार्टी और उनके लगाए हुए विनय सक्सेना एलजी साहब एक्सपोज हो जाएंगे। मुंह छुपाने के लिए जगह नहीं मिलेगी एलजी साहब को। अगर उन्होंने वो वीडियो, मैं आपको बता तो रहा हूं, उसके अंदर भारतीय जनता पार्टी और विनय सक्सेना साहब दोनों एक्सपोज हो गए कि वे लोग दिल्ली के खिलाफ काम कर रहे हैं और हम लोग दिल्ली वालों के हक के लिए काम कर रहे हैं। मैं बार बार कह रहा हूं, आप क्यों भाग रहे हैं एलजी साहब? आप डर क्यों रहे हैं? आप करिए ना वीडियो एक्सपोज, करिए। अगर हम गलत है तो हमको दुनिया जान जाएगी कि हम गलत है, अगर आप गलत है तो आपको जान जाएगी।
Shubh Rana is joining us for more details on this story. Shubh, Saurabh Bhardwaj launching an attack on the Delhi LG. What has he said?
Yes, definitely. And this is not the first time when Saurabh Bhardwaj have attacked Delhi LG VK Saxena, because a day before yesterday, BJP MLAs have also met with the Delhi LG VK Saxena. And this time when not only Saurabh Bhardwaj but also Atishi just few days before had a meeting with Delhi LG VK Saxena, where Saurabh Bhardwaj have been saying that if Delhi LG have guts, then why don't he reveal the videos of their meeting with Atishi and Saurabh Bhardwaj? And this is the 3rd day of Atishi stepping into a Jal Satyagraha, where she have been saying that until unless Haryana doesn't receive water for the Delhi Heights, till then the Atishi will continue. But also Delhi LG VK Saxena have also said that Aam Aadmi Party have been taking a political mileage out of water crisis. And on this story, you know, Delhi LG VK Saxena have also said that when there was government of Sheila Dikshit, work have been functioned like that. But whenever Aam Aadmi Party, if there's any such thing happened, then Aam Aadmi Party try to take the political advantage, you know, by having a war of words, by claiming the central government, but not having, not having a disciplined word with Haryana government. But Saurabh Bhardwaj have said that they have already written letters to even the ministries, where to also the Jal Mantralaya, where they have said that Haryana is not releasing the water. And today also Saurabh Bhardwaj have said that because Haryana have not released 117 mgd of water, due to which more than 87,000 Delhi Heights are suffering from water crisis. And that is the reason for which Haryana government is responsible. This is the another war of words which have been arising. Yes, back to you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.